Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book a flight with Klarna. So if you actually use Klarna, you will have to search for a website that actually supports Klarna. So we are going to suggest you a website here that's actually named airlines.com. So you just need to go to the website and you want to book a ticket on their website. So here for example we want to go to Los Angeles and just search for flights. So in the next page just going to verify you are not a robot, and once here you will be able to see all of the available flights and their website. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to add a check on the checkbox here and just click on the select flights, and from here it's going to check the availability of that flight and you will be redirected to the information and the details page for that flight. So once you scroll down you see a few details that you need to fill up. So you need your first name, middle name and the same date of birth and other contact information and all of this information here. But when we actually go at the very bottom of your screen, you will be able to see Klarna as the payment method here. So if you want to use Klarna, just make sure you actually put a checkbox here. So if you aren't able to see Klarna here, you might not have set the payment or payment currency in your alternative airlines.com website here to US dollars. It will only appear if you set the currency to USD, but if you haven't set to USD, it will not appear. So set this to USD and you should be able to see the Klarna payment here. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.